So let's first write the mathematical equation where A is equal to KH, where A is equal to K over H. So the missing of this equation is the area. So substitution property of equality, replacement of the value of A, which is 64, is equal to K times height of a triangle, which is 8, multiplied by 8, and then 64 is equals to 8K, because 8 times K is equal to 8K. 8K. We will divide both sides by 8, left and right both sides by 8. So 64 divided by 8 is equal to 8. 8 times 8 divided by 8 is bring down the key because it is 1. So the area of a triangle is missing. We're going to find the area of triangle when height is equal to 16. Area of a triangle is equal to 8 multiplied by the height 16. Substitute 16 times 8. 6 times 8 equals 48. It is 48. 1 times 6, 8 plus 4 equals 12. So the area of the triangle is 128 when height is 16. So let's replace. Thank you. As I said, let's write the mathematical equation, which is K, where the constant of the equation K is equal to M, which is mass, multiplied by V, volume. So K is equal to 36 times 6, substitution property of equality. 36 times 6, 6 times 6 equal to 36, 3 times 18 plus 3, 21. So K is equal to 216. Back in the equation, so we have M is equal to 1 K over V. So divide it. We will divide the constant and the volume. So the constant is 216 and the volume is 18. 216 divided by 18 is equal to 18 divided by 21 is equal to 1. 1 times 18 equals to 18 minus 3, bring down 6, 2. 18 divided by 36 is 2. 2 times 18 is equal to 36, and minus it will become 0. So 12 is the mass. Joint variation. So the formula of joint is Z is equal to Ky Kxy, where K is equal to Z over Xy. So substitution property of equality, Z is equal to 16 multiplied by X and Y, which is 2 and 4. Substitute 2 and 4. That's 4. Okay. So 16 is equal to 8K. Divide both sides by 8. 8. So 16 divided by 8 is equal to 2. Bring down the key. So we get the constant of our variation, which is K. So back into equation. Z is equal to K times X and Y. So we're going to multiply our constant to X and Y. So 4 and 6, the value of our X and Y. So 8 times 6 is equal to 48. 8 times 6. So 8 times 6. Z is equal to 48. So the answer is 48. Combine variation. So let's write the mathematical equation, which is R is equal to K S over U squared. So replacement, which is substitution property of equality. Replace the R by its value 2 is equal to K multiplied by 18, which is the value of our s, and 2 squared, the value of our u. So 2 times 4, because the square of 2 is equal to 4. So equals 18 key. Let's divide both sides by 18. So we will divide both sides by 18, left and right. Divide by 18. 18. So bring down the key. Divide 18. So 2 times 4 equals to 8. So cannot divide, so bring down the 18. So we will use the simplify, which is 2, which is we will going to divide by 2. So this will going be 4 over 9. So we get the constant of variation, which is the key. Back in the equation, so r is equal to 4 over 9, which is the key, and 27 replacement the s over what's the value of u. So the value of u 3 squared, because there's a squared in our equation. So r is equal to, let's times the fraction to whole number. So we have a reciprocal of it. So 4 times 27, 7 times 4 equals 28, carry 2. 2 times 4 equals and 10. So 108, the numerator and the denominator is 9, because 9 times 1 is 9. 108 divided by 9. 9 divided by 1. 9. 1, 18. So 2. 12 is the answer. So 12 over 3 squared of the square of 3. So equals to 9. Simplify. Divided by 3. That's called the simplify. So 4 over 3.